We are now on step 11.8, which we will learn about solving problems with opening files. There are times where you may encounter some problems when opening files. It could be file compatibility problems. The file could be corrupt, or the file is in a format that cannot be read by the program you're trying to open. We will also get into saving a document as well. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we will do is click on our Word button. If you have your Word button on your taskbar, you can get to it there. I'm just going to go to my Start menu and open Word. And click on your File tab and go to File Open and go to your Lesson 11 data files, and we will open up step 11.7a. So let's go back. Once you open up who created the recycling symbol document, step 11.7a, go to your File tab and Save As. Then notice you get a Save As dialog box. This box is called a dialog box, and here is our current path. So if we save this current file, we would be saving it to our Lesson 11 folder. So it's always important that you pay attention to where you are saving your work. That is very important. You can specify the folder, directory, or the network, or the drive that you would like to save your work in if this is not correct, by looking over to the left hand side and choosing your destination. You also have the file name box where you save the file by changing the name or keeping it as it already is. So we want to enter recycling symbol as our file name, and notice the Save As type is a Word document, and the extension is .docx. So let's go ahead and click Save to save the file. And notice you get a dialog box that says you are about to save your document to one of the new file formats. This action will allow you to use all new features in Word, but may cause changes in the layout of your document. The reason for this message is because the document was created in 2007, but remember you now have 2010 on your computer, so the file will be saved in a 2010 version. So it's just giving you this message to let you know that. So press OK. Now, so we basically saved the document and we paid attention to the file format and where we were saving it to and changed the name. Let's go back to File and click. Well, actually, we're going to get out of our Word document and go to Excel. So let's go to our Start menu, open Excel, and click on your File menu and Open. Go to your Lesson 11 folder. And open up step 11.7b in Excel. Go back to your File menu, Save As, And again, up here, we're saving the file to our Lesson 11 folder. If you wanted to change the destination, you can click on the left-hand side for your options to change our file name. We will rename the file as expense report. And notice the file extension for a workbook, Excel workbook, is .xlsx. Click Save. And notice it was updated at the top. So we opened up Word documents and saved as to our Lesson 11 folder under a .docx file. And we also opened up an Excel document and we saved as in Excel with the .xlsx file extension. You have to make sure that you save files to the proper program when you are working in documents and saving. So leave this document open and I will see you on the last step for Lesson 11.